going on?
Oh, my Fatasu! For a moment I thought I was in a Jurassic Park!
But we finished this night lamp just yesterday. Don't you remember?
I guess I have to. I need a rest.
Go sleep this off, Sammy. I'll refresh your memory tomorrow.
Alright. Hi guys! Today we're gonna make the most unusual night lamp! That wasn't funny, Susan! Not at all!
I'm sorry, Sammy. I just couldn't help doing it.
Jokes aside, are you gonna make a craft or just prank me?
You're right. Hi, guys. As you might have guessed, our night lamp will be in the form of a dinosaur. Do you like dinosaurs, guys? Give us a thumbs up if yes.
I absolutely adore them. They're so strong and cool. Rawr!
We've made some night lamps before, and you know where to find them. On our channel, of course.
I like the cloud lamp most. Or maybe the kitten lamp. Holy canoe, it's so hard to pick only one.
Don't worry, the guys will watch all the lamp videos and choose. In the meantime, we just finished the first step, and we'll have to manage a more complicated operation next.
Miss Doctor, I've prepared everything for the surgery.
Why, thank you, Mr. Surgery Assistant. Guys, be very careful while working with a cutter. It can be really sharp.
It's better to ask an adult to help at this stage. Huh? Wow! The operation is going great.
But that's not all. We need to work in the belly, too. It's very important to have a sturdy hand.
But don't worry, guys. There is a twin surgeon who's widely known in small circles.
Aw, Sammy, you flatter me. Helping toys is just my job, you know.
And you're doing it great!
Huh?
Interesting. I don't get it. Is it snowing?
The weather forecast said it's cloudy with a chance of stuffing snowing.
Stealing her pranks.
Yeah, we switched places. Today I'm the prankster, not Sammy, as usual.
You're making pranks and I have to clean up after.
What you won't do for a cool dino craft.
I've been thinking, maybe we won't remove the voice box? A talking dino is so awesome.
Oh, I don't think that's a good idea, Sammy. What if you'll forget about the dino lamp? And then, at night, you'll get up to drink water and suddenly notice the light and hear the roar!
So let me tell you something new. If you repeat a joke, it's not funny anymore.
Oh, you're right, Sammy. Let's go back to work.
Don't go anywhere, guys. We'll be here in a moment. Sue, have you seen this electricity bill?
Uh-huh. Is it something wrong with it?
I'm not gonna pay that much any longer. We should make an automatic switch button or something.
That's a great idea. But don't you forget that there's a slime in our house who's afraid of the dark. And he always sleeps with the lights on.
Oh, that's not a problem anymore. With the dino lamp, I'm gonna be fearless.
Well then, as a fearless slime, you won't be afraid to get a scotch tape from the dark storage room, will you? Looks like Sammy's really enjoying making dino crafts.
Yep, nothing can stop me. Whee!
If you want to see more dino crafts here, support this video with your thumbs up. And we'll continue the work on our Diplodocus lamb.
What? Diplodocus? Sue, when was the last time you refreshed your knowledge in the dino field?
Did I say something wrong?
Shiver me shatters. Watch and learn. Diplodocus was huge and looked like a snake with legs. And we're making a triceratops. It looked like a rhinoceros, but with 2 horns and a pretty white collar. Now do you get it, Sue? It's simple.
Oh, yes, thanks, Sammy. I'm lucky to have a real slime paleontologist by my side. But let's get back to work. We need to put some tape on the new details to protect and secure them at the place.
Protect from whom? No way! Tyrannosaurus!
Sammy, all of the dinosaurs extinct a long time ago.
Don't listen to her, my little one.
Oh, Sammy, he has such a vivid imagination. In the meantime, we're moving on to the next stage. But first, let's take precautions. Hop? Wow! Hey, now you're talking. Thanks for the help, Sam.
I know everything about protection during crafts.
I know you do.
Guys, it's very important to protect your hands like Sue did. Do not despise this advice.
Here we go.
The expanding foam will do the job perfectly. And your likes will perfectly support us, guys. Huh?
We're at the finish line and stop. All we've left to do is put aside the toy and wait until the foam sets.
It takes from 6 to 24 hours, but we don't want to wait, so bibbidi-bobbidi subscribity! All done! That's what I call professionalism. We'll be back to work in a mere second. Hi-ya! Stay tuned if you want to see the result.
Let me remove the tape and we'll go to the most interesting part.
Decoration!
That's right, Sammy. Give me one, please. I'm gonna paint our dino so it will look more realistic.
More realistic, you said? Oopsie, I've already chosen the colors.
The pearl one and the blue? Sammy, these don't fit our dinosaur.
My colleagues paleontologists are not sure what dinosaurs looked like.
Because it's impossible to identify the appearance according to the fossils. But, fine, I agree. Let our dino lamp be colorful.
Besides, the combination of the color blue and pearl is the new black of the season.
Oh, really? The new black? Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started right now. Did you know, guys, that in some sources the word dinosaur translates as terrible lizard in Greek? Frankly, I can call a sky blue little dino a terrible creature.
We didn't add the pearl yet.
Oh, I see you decided to help me, huh?
Well, of course.
Well, I wouldn't say no to that.
You'd be doing it twice as slowly if I won't help, Susie.
Guys, it's always nice to craft together. Ask your friends and parents to join you. Now we need to dry the blue layer. And for this...
I'm coming! Take it!
Sammy, what have you done?
See? I'll help. Here, take the napkin.
Well, it kind of didn't work.
I see.
All right.
What? How did you do that?
While we were playing here, the blue paint dried.
Oh, I can't wait to see the results too. The earlier we start, the earlier we finish.
Like this. Take your time, don't hurry up. You look so much better, I like it.
Ooh, by the mozzarella, it's awesome. Now it's my favorite night lamp of all.
Let's just make a few accents, huh?
We almost forgot about the main detail.
What are you talking about? Oh, I know. Every lamp needs a light bulb. There we go.
I'm ready to test it. Are you ready, guys? Guys, do you want to look closely at our dino lamp? I know you do. I'm coming. I have to see it. What time is it, guys? I had a dream about Jurassic Park. Can you imagine?
Sammy, you keep me up again.
Since you're awake, what if we have a cup of tea?
It's a great idea, but promise me that after that we will go to sleep till the morning.
Of course. When have I ever failed you? Oh, but first we need to say goodbye to our viewers.
Guys, did you like our dino lamp today? Then give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel, of course.
Sammy!
Oh, I'm coming!